Hello kids, how are you? Welcome back to ABCD Learning channel. Today we learn capital letters, alphabets A to Z. Colors name: blue color, yellow color, red color, green color, yellow color, black color. Kids, now we coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids, first we draw A. A is for apple and use blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw B. B is for ball. Kids, now draw C. C is for cat. D. D is for dog. Kids, now draw E. E is for egg and use yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw F. F is for fish. Kids, now draw G. G is for guard. Kids, now draw H. H is for helicopter and use red color. I. I is for ice cream. J. J is for joker. Kids, again use red color and draw K. K is for king. Kids, now draw L. L is for lion and use green color. Kids, again use green color and draw M. M is for moon. Kids, again use green color and draw N. N is for nose. Kids, now draw O. O is for orange and use yellow ochre color. Kids, again use yellow ochre color and draw P. P is for parrot. Kids, now draw Q. Q is for queen. Kids, again use yellow ochre color and draw R. R is for rose. Kids, now draw S. S is for sun and use black color. T. T is for teacher. U. U is for umbrella. It's now draw V. V is for van and use blue color. W. W is for watch. Kids, again use blue color and draw X. X is for X-ray. Y is for yak. Kids, again use blue color and draw Z. Z is for zebra. Kids, today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.